Welcome to another video of Zotero. In this video we are going to discuss how we can capture the information from website or online catalog and also from the different databases. So in order to do that, first you have to open the Zotero. Wherever you have kept the shortcut of Zotero, just double click, or you can add to your taskbar and you can click once on this and it will start the Zotero interface. Now the next you have to do, you have to open the concerned catalog or database page, and then you can collect the information in your Zotero library, and later you can cite them in your writing or the paper wherever you want to cite. So here I have opened library online catalog and of IT Gandhinagar, and I'm going to make some search like library management. If I get the information from this page, so I can fetch this item to my Zotero library. So you can see here that it has found 30 results from the catalog. Now the next question is that how I can import or how can I take all this information to my Zotero library. So if you want to fetch or collect the information more than one item at the same time, so you can notice here that there is a one folder icon. This is representing the Zotero icon, and when you click, why it is given just like a folder? Because it is not representing only one item. It will display the total number of items available on the page, and you can choose as many as you want. So suppose I want to take this, I want to take this and this and this. 4 items I have selected, and when I click on OK, you can see here that it is saving to my library in Zotero. And when I go back here and I just refresh my page, so it will automatically come into my Zotero library. I need to click once. You can see here that all the 4 items which I selected from this online catalog are listed in my Zotero library. And the same thing you can check in your Zotero desktop or offline. So here it is not showing now, but when you just click on this sync button, then what it will do, it will connect to your Zotero library online and it will fetch the data from your Zotero online library. But make sure that you have already added your user ID and password, linked your user ID and password to Zotero preference option. Otherwise it will not connect to your library online. So I'm just going to click on sync button and will wait for a few seconds, and what I can see that it will collect the data from Zotero online library. You can see here that all the 4 items are listed in my Zotero library. So what are the differences? You can see here the first 4 items are in my Zotero library middle pane, and when I click one by one, I can see the detail of each item at the right pane. It has the title, it has two authors, and it has ISBN number, date, number of pages, place of publication, library catalog, call number, and the date of edition, modified, all the detail. And above that, if you click on the arrow sign, that means greater than sign, it has the note also, which you can see access available to on-site users at SLQE services members and Queensland Public Library account holders. So this particular item has note. Likewise, you can browse the other information also, means other item detail also. It has all the detail including the note, and the same way you can see other detail also. So this is the best way to collect the information from the library online access catalog to your Zotero library. And you can see the left pane at the bottom side that it has the different tags which will help you to get the information when you click on any particular tag. So whatever the items available related to that tag, it will collect the information and display only that item which contains this tag. And suppose you are not satisfied with these tags here, so what you can do, you can also add the tag relevant to this item as per your. So for that you need to go to tag option and you can just click on add button, and here you can add disaster recovery, so it will get added. And likewise you can add as many as tags you want. If you want to add some more notes, one note is already there. If you want to add some more note, so you can add, this is the item taken from IIT Gandhinagar catalog, Gandhinagar catalog. So what will happen, it will add the another tag or the note to your item, and finally you can see that it has two notes associated to this item. And we have added the one tag disaster recovery, and you can notice here that that particular tag is listed here also. So when you click on this disaster recovery, it will show only the item which has the tag disaster recovery or related associated items. So this way we have collected the information from library online access catalog. Now I have another website, directory of open access journals, and now I'm going to see some of the relevant articles which are related to my study. So if I search library management and just click on search button, so it will fetch the record from the open access journals database. And here if I see that which one is relevant, so I can choose accordingly and then I can add. So I'll just click on this particular option, and I'll just see all the detail here, and then simply I can click on this save to Zotero, and you can notice here that it is saving along with, means including the snapshot. So let us go back to Zotero library, and then you refresh the page. You just click on sync button and it will refresh and collect the information which is added to your library. And now you can see the same item which we have taken from the directory of open journals. So here if you see, it has all the metadata information along with the abstract. We have taken it from DOAJ, and it has also the snapshot which you can see by going to this link. It is giving the link, so if you click on this, it will show you that particular page which you have taken as a snapshot. So directly you can go to this page. So in this way we can collect the information from the online catalog and also from the different databases wherever we get information. If any relevant information is included or associated with the item, it will also fetch and show in your library of Zotero. So hope this video will be helpful in order to get the information or item detail to your Zotero library. Thanks for watching this video. Stay updated with more videos on Librarian Guide. Thanks once again.